I'm so impressed. This is incredible. Ah, you're supposed to put that in there. Ah, okay.
It's a combination.
All right, let's try it then.
You try it.
Look how dirty his feet is.
No, this is not my feet. This is charcoal. If you say Paul after a sentence, it's like a sign of respect.
Thank you, Paul.
Thank you, Paul. What's up, guys? Welcome back to a special video here over in BGC. Another rainy day here in Manila, unfortunately. However, it's still a beautiful place to walk around in. And as you can see by the title of this video, we are going to be trying some Filipino food. And we've got some dancers there as well. No, I wasn't expecting that. So we're heading over to this place called Manam. So apparently it's comfort Filipino food. So I'll be able to give you guys a good kind of review and idea of one of my first restaurants actually trying some proper Filipino food. So let's check it out. Hi, how are you? ¿Cómo está acá? Ah, very good. Do you have a table just for one?
Just for one, yes.
Yes, somewhere nice.
I get you the corner one.
Which one?
The corner one. I'll set up this.
Over there, yeah? Yeah, perfect.
For oil side.
Thank you, thank you. So this place is actually located in the heart of BGC, and it's about a 5-minute walk from the actual center itself. And it's literally in a very, I don't know what it's in, but the area just looks banging. Now, I don't know, guys, let me know in the comments if this is a place that you would come yourself, if you actually come here before, and if you have, what is on the menu that you would usually eat? Because obviously this is my first time, and one thing I do want to go for actually is a sisig, the chicken sisig, because I know that's also a Filipino dish, and it also tastes very similar to a lot of the things that I love. So let's see what else they recommend. Thank you. Well, it looks like they've had people here before. They know the roll. The first thing you do, you can just smell that banging food. Thank you so much. Thank you. Lovely jubbly. Wow. Thank you so much. So we have been welcomed by an incredibly huge menu here. I think I'm going to have to get one of the waitresses to come and recommend me some dishes. So one of the first things that I do want to order here is the chicken sisig. I had it on another evening here in Manila. Oh my god, it's my favorite Filipino dish is the sisig. Like, just tastes so good. But I also want to try something else. Let's see what they got. Wow, look at that. Look at these broths. I think I'm gonna have to call someone over and see what they can recommend me being the most Filipino thing here. Let's do it. Alright, so JR, I'm gonna need your help. Please. So firstly, I want a chicken sisig. You have chicken sisig?
We don't have a chicken sisig. Only tofu sisig, pork sisig only, and squid sisig.
Squid?
Yeah.
Like fish?
Squid.
Squid, yeah.
Yeah.
So only squid and pork?
Only squid sisig and pork sisig and tofu sisig.
What was that one? Tofu?
Tofu.
I'll go for the seafood one. Anything else that's like a very famous Filipino dish?
Filipino dish.
Yeah.
You want to try our best seller, sir?
What's the best seller? Yeah.
You want to try this one?
Fried noodle with
egg and shrimp and squid also.
Do you have something with just chicken like this?
We have this one, sir. Patty wings.
Caramelized patty wings. Okay. Anything else?
Fried chicken.
House fried chicken. Okay. All right. Let's try some of that. The house fried chicken. But is it Filipino?
Yes, sir.
It's Filipino, yeah. What's this? Corned beef.
Yeah.
It's good? Okay. Do you know what? Let me get that instead of the sisig. Anything else that's like super famous that Filipino people always eat? It's Filipino? Okay. Alright. One curry.
Only small, sir?
Small, yeah. So we're going for a beef curry here. A corned beef as well. And what else do we have on the... what else have I ordered?
Fried chicken small, corned beef sisig small, and curry small.
Amazing. Thank you.
Don't need rice, sir?
Yeah, small rice.
Small rice. What kind of rice, sir?
Plain rice, steamed.
White rice?
White rice.
Also, sir, we have our best seller drinks. Ubi solo, mango pomelo and mango pandan, and kamias lemongrass, strawberry kamias.
Wow. What was this one?
ubi sago. This is our best seller.
This is the best? Okay, let's go ubi sago. We're also going for a ubi sago, which is a Filipino drink.
Yes, sir.
It's very sweet, I guess.
Not yet.
Okay. Alright, that's good, man. Thank you. Well, we are about to be in for a treat here, guys, over in this restaurant called Manam. I've picked a few different dishes because I want to be able to review them for you guys. Honestly, I'm so excited to try a proper Filipino restaurant, because a lot of places that I've been to basically have a little bit of Filipino food, but it's not just Filipino food. So let's crack on, guys, and eat this munch. Oh my god, guys, here is this famous drink that I was recommended. It's got some like bubbles on top. I'm not sure exactly what that is, but also some like purple kind of cream inside with this nice bit of a green substance on top. And we've even got some like more bubbles at the bottom. Apparently this is the most famous one here inside the restaurant. So actually what I want to try first is one of these bubbles. It just looks so good. That jelly. Tasty. It's so unexpected. Basically like a chocolate bubble, like so interesting. And let's have the ultimate sip now of this drink. Wow, that is unbelievable. It's so hard to describe the flavor. It's like chocolatey, caramel, nutty, and also just so flavoursome. Like, this is probably the best drink I've ever had in the Philippines so far. Like, it's literally incredible. Let's give it another sip. Honestly, it's so good. Wow, I don't know what they put in here exactly, but honestly, it's like not too sweet either. It's got this amazing consistency. It's a little bit sweet, so I'm probably going to save some of it for dessert, but being the first thing that's arrived so far in the restaurant, I'm so impressed. This is incredible. Oh, I'm going to keep sipping away. God, this is the dog's bollocks. So good. Filipinos, you know how to make a good ass drink. That's what I'm talking about. The food has officially arrived and it's time to dig in to this incredible Filipino food. So we've got some, let me talk you through what we've got. So we've got some beef sisig here, or corned beef this is. You can see the corned beef. And then we've got the egg on top with some crumples. And I'm not sure what this is, looks like saffron. And this is a famous curry here actually in the Philippines. Look at that. So good. So we've got some like vegetables, and it's actually a beef curry. Let's check it. Oh yeah. Look at that orange sauce. Apparently this is a very famous beef curry here in the Philippines, and I'm actually quite surprised to know that there are curries in the Philippines. It's actually very interesting. It smells really good. Look at that orange sauce. It smells like quite nutty. Yeah, it's quite a nutty sauce. And then we've also got some plain steamed rice to go with it as well. So now it's going to be the moment of truth, guys, and let's try this. Let's see how it tastes, and time to dig in because it took like half an hour to arrive. So let's do this. Let's go for the sisig first, because that is my favorite dish here in the Philippines. So I'll show you guys, breaking off some of that. It's just got so much sauce in there. It's got the eggs, the tomatoes, the onion. Try some of the egg with that. That is incredible, guys. Wow. The amount of spices, the amount of flavours that's coming off that corned beef sisig. It's incredible. Look at that egg, all the beef with it, and all the like crunchy bits just taste so good. Look at that. Let me know in the comments, guys. Do you like beef sisig? This is just crazy. There's nothing I can actually compare it to around the world. Usually there's always something I can compare it to, but this time there's just nothing. This is just pure Filipino food. The flavors, the spices, I've never tasted anything like this around the world. This is definitely the first. And I'll be honest, I've not said something like that for a while. Oh, I just got to grab some more of that. So good, guys. Make sure you come to this restaurant, Manam, and order that because it's incredible. It's so spicy, so oily, it tastes 10 out of 10. I'm giving this one 100% 10 out of 10. Next we're gonna grab some of this steamed rice. Let's put that there. Break it up. And you know what's about to come? It is the curry. Oh, that steamed rice smell, just so divine. Oh, and our lovely purple drink. It's like an ice cream, literally like an ice cream. Let's try this curry now. Get some of that sauce on here. Look at that. Let's get some of the beef. So to give you guys an idea of what it smells like, it actually smells quite nutty, nut type of curry, you know. Let's get all that in there. Just cut up the beef or the curry. It's time to taste it. I'm super excited. Look at that. Look at the shine coming off it. Let's give it a go. It's actually literally like a peanut curry. I've never tried anything like that before, but I'm gonna be honest, this is not what I expected. This is actually a bit too nutty for me. The beef is quite nice, it's quite soft, but the overall taste is like sweet with peanut, which I'm not too keen on. However, as I say, it's still nice, just as like a side dish. Yeah, this is definitely a very sweet curry. So I think, I'm gonna be honest, if I was to give it a rating out of 10 for the curry, I'm gonna be, okay, I'll be fair, I'm gonna say 5 out of 10. 5 because the beef is quite succulent and nice, but I can't give it more than that just because the curry itself is very sweet and it has too much of a, I mean the peanut flavor is not too bad, but the sweet flavoring has been put in there, like there's a ton of sugar in there, but look, at the end of the day, it's Filipino food, so that's what you have to expect with a lot of Filipino food because they love sugar. So there's always a lot of sugar inside the dishes, so always be ready for that surprise. For all of that food, it came to 828 pesos. Let me know, is that like a good price for here in the Philippines? I think so. Yeah, the food is, this is amazing. I loved it. Very good. This is also lovely. A little bit too sweet for me.
Yeah, this one sweet because this one's very sweet and this one's shrimp salty and.
Ah, you're supposed to put that in there. Ah, okay.
It's a combination.
All right, let's try it then.
Let's try it.
Okay. So that's why it was so sweet, guys. Let's try it. All right. So JR just told me the right way of how to do it. Now let's try it. I have to put some of the brown sauce in there. Okay, let's try it now.
This one also sweet. This one is salty sauce.
So what is that sauce?
Shrimp basil.
Shrimp. Very fishy. Yeah, strong. Thank you, JR. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Whoa, that shrimp, this shrimp paste that you're supposed to mix in with that. Whew, that is one hell of a flavor. I was not expecting it to be that fishy, but this, I don't think it changed my mind for the dish. It made it slightly better, but just fishy and sugary. It's just like with the weirdest combination in the world. But I'm glad I tried it because it's a delicacy and it's one of the dishes here in the Philippines. Thank you. Salamat guys. Even in the rain, guys, people are still performing here, and I enjoyed that food a lot, guys. It was very interesting. First half of it was very nice. I wasn't too keen on the curry, but overall it was a great experience. And let me know in the comments, guys, what you thought. Now I'm just heading out of this area and it's bloody raining again, and it's just so hard to get a grab here. So I'm gonna just walk it back over to Salcedo, which is my area, and it's about 40 minutes walk. So I'm gonna be walking about 40 minutes in this rain, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Let's go. For a long day in BGC, I'm now back in the apartment. And wow, what an incredible day that was. I'm still quite stuffed from all that Filipino food, and I hope I don't get too fat, my kabayans. Anyway, we are going to head over to a place to get a little massage here. Hopefully it's nice. I'm not sure what it's going to be like, but let's go. Thank you. Thank you very much. Cheers.
Hi.
How are you? Wow, very nice, guys. Check this place out. It's very, we literally walked past it, didn't know where we were. it's very nice and clean. Apparently this spa is actually Persian inspired, and you can actually see some of the designs and paintings around here is all like got Persian type of inspired stuff. Like this guitar is Persian, and also we have like a painting over there. Starting off this treatment with...
Look how dirty this feet is.
No, this is not my feet, this is charcoal. We're doing a charcoal foot scrub first, and then it will be followed by a massage, because it's been a long few days of vlogging here in the Philippines. It's always nice to have a break, so it's a must-do thing when you come here in the Philippines. I'm actually wrapping my feet now in like cling foot. I think this is going to do good for it, right? It's good. Now we are deciding what oils we're going to use for this. Is for the massage.
Which one? I'll go with peppermint. Actually.
Peppermint.
Yes.
How about you, sir?
I'll smell it. It's for the massage, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Nice.
Yes.
Peppermint.
And this one.
Mm.
It's mentholated.
That's lovely.
Yes.
Eucalyptus is always usually a winner.
Very strong.
Oof. Not for me.
For relaxing. Lavender is for relaxing.
I want peppermint, please.
Peppermint.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Paul.
Yes, peppermint. Thank you, then.
Yeah, Paul. If you say Paul after a sentence, it's like a sign of respect.
Thank you, Paul.
Thank you, Paul. Yeah.
Thank you, Lord.
Yeah, thank you, Paul. So after getting a nice foot scrub, we are going to head in to get a 1 hour massage here into this nice little room. Wow, look at this. This is lovely. This place is gorgeous. Thank you. After an amazing massage, we are now back over at our hotel. We're literally just going to finish off our evening by just literally having some tea and relax. And I hope you enjoyed the vlog today. It's been a long one, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you all on the next episode here in the Philippines. Peace out and good night.